There were the broadcast tapes of Ganesh Bagaria.
Acha, you're talking about the tapes of the DMK people? Or?
No, sir. So Republic has broadcast tapes of Ganesh Bagaria, who is the close aide of coal scam accused Anup Mati, in which he talks about how syndicate works.
Acha, Abhishek ke baare mein that tape. You see, when you are intermingled with such people, problems are going to arise. And it is for the Election Commission to take note of it. They will take care. As far as our charge, that syndicate Raj is there in West Bengal, is very clear. तुष्टिकरण, टोलाबाजी, वो तो बड़े लोग हैं, छोटे छोटे लोग करने लगे हैं वहाँ पर. तो बाकी Election Commission will take note of it, what the tape says about it. But yes, it is an open secret. It's an open secret that people like Abhishek and others have been involved in such activities.
Subhash,
sorry, you kept saying Ganesh, so I got confused.
So the poll surveys are saying that.
I'm Subhash from Pudhiya Thalaimurai News Channel. The poll surveys in Tamil Nadu saying that the NDA is getting setback in this election, and the most probably Congress and DMK going to win in this election. Your leaders, including yourself, are making the campaign throughout the state. What you are thinking on this poll surveys exactly? What do you want to comment on this?
You see, we have never commented on the surveys. It is their lookout. But what we see in the ground, we speak on that issue, on that very basis. And according to that, the enthusiasm which I see, the support which I see, it clearly indicates that people are going to make the AIDMK government here in Tamil Nadu. देखिए, I would utilize your question to answer very serious issue of Tamil Nadu, and I would like that the media persons should take this issue forward. You see, Congress ruled for 40 years. How did regional parties came in Tamil Nadu? Because the national party ignored the regional sentiments. And now they are poor third. I'm talking about Congress. They are, जिसको बोलते हैं वो AIDM, वो DMK के पीछे चलने वाली पार्टी हो गई. ये क्यों हुआ है? ये इसलिए हुआ है बिकॉज आपने नेशनल पार्टी के रूप में रीजनल पार्टीज के रीजनल इश्यूज को आपने तवज्जो नहीं दी. भारतीय जनता पार्टी इज ए पार्टी विच अंडरस्टैंड्स द रीजनल एस्पिरेशंस, द रीजनल कल्चर, द रीजनल लैंग्वेज, and along with it the national sentiments are assimilated. I'll give you the example. Prime Minister Modi in UN Assembly recited the couplets of poet Kanian. He talked about the oldest scientific language, that is Tamil. Now the regional identity was not brought only on the national platform but on the international platform. You talk about Jallikattu. Now Jallikattu, you came out with a simple notification. Who was the minister? Jairam Ramesh. Which party he belonged? Congress party. Who was the UPA partner? DMK. They remain meek spectators, I charge it. The DMK were the meek spectators, number one, and they are the one who crushed the regional sentiments of the people of Tamil Nadu at that point of time. It is Prime Minister Modi who came out with ordinance, with notification, and the ban on Jallikattu was removed. So who took care of the regional aspirations? Prime Minister Modi is the first Prime Minister who visited Jaffna. He went to the place where bombardment took place as Prime Minister. He saw to it that the houses are reconstructed and dedicated. He himself dedicated the houses. Even temple also.